So, hi guys! Ngayon, let us unbox. Unbox! Let us put on something na hinol ko dun sa Lululemon. So, Lululemon is a popular brand ng mga activewear. So, para siyang level ng Sasa, Uniqlo, Speedo, ganyan. So, mostly pang sweat activated activities. So, this is the first one that I got. Inopen ko na to kanina. This is a, tawag dito? Funny pack. So, yan. Basically, you just put it like this. I already used this kanina. So, yan siya. Mahaluga kasi sa taas. So, dito siya kanina. Sa baba. And, so far, it's useful. I think magagamit din to sa running. So, yan. Meron palang zipper sa likod. Yung ganda. And then, yan ang laman niya. So, I still have some cash and some coins. So, yan. Color black. Kasi yun lang yung available. And isang size lang daw. Pero nakita ko sa favorite vlogger ko, marami sila. So, yan. Yung klaro lang sa screen. Ganyan. And then, the next one that I got, dalawa to. So, these are, they call it, description is City Essentials Pouch Mini. So, this is in like a minty green color and black. So, para saan? Ngayon kasi kailangan ko for chargers. And yun, magagamit talaga siya. This is 128 Malaysian ringgit. Malaysian real. And the green version. Same, malaman. Which is good for, basta ako marami akong gamit. So, yan. And lastly, pang props ko, kung pupunta kami sa Batu Caves, ito, white. Also, pang running na siya. Pinalitan ko kanina, there was one na parang baseball cap lang. But I changed it to this fast and free running hat kasi magaan. So, ang difference ng running hat with regular hats are the lightweight versions or the lightweight feature it has. So, when you run, it's really super light as if it's not in your head. Kaya, medyo pricey talaga basta running gears. You have to understand that running gears are expensive and you get what you pay for. So, for me, my bias is Hoka and ito. Ito gustong-gusto ko kasi wala sa Philippines. So, I took a chance to buy it tonight. So, yan. Tatanggalin natin. Hindi ko nasuotin kasi may foundation ako and this is white. Wala, I should have gotten a black one. I'll buy one. Black one. So, yan. Ito. And this is 178. Magkano yun? Kinuha ko lang kasi. Magkano yun? Mga 2K? Mas mahal siya sa actually ka-price din ng Adidas. So, yan basta running gears talaga sobrang mahal, especially cap, of course shoes. Yan. So, yun, that's what I got from Lululemon. Very cute bag. Gusto ko pa sana ng isa. So, I think I'm gonna go back and get a black one. Bakit pala puti? Kasi malibag pala tayo. So, anyways, that's it for this vlog. Bye-bye!